Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kumrun Nahar Kumu. You know I am homemaker. That's why I am create the first blog. And this blog is about my mini garden. And I guess my favorite hobby is gardening. So can I prepare my blog in my garden? So let's get started. I decorate my house with natural indoor plants. Really, I love this. This is so cheap as any other decorative showpiece and looks very beautiful. When anyone come to my home, they feel very peace. This is money plant and spider plant like peacefulness. Spider plant give us a lot of oxygen and which is very important. And meet my little cats. Oh, I am joking. This is decorative piece. Snake plant has many benefits. Filter indoor air, remove toxin pollutants. And spider plants give us a lot of oxygen. It is a perfect bedroom plant. It is easy to care, and some plants keep it under the sunlight cause it is also needed in a week. This is bamboo plants and which is very peaceful us. Some plants keep it under the sunlight cause it is also needed a week. And meet my little cutie birds. My little son playing with her birds. And there are my another balcony, and there are many plants. Aloe vera plant is a stylish and practical addition to the home. The plants purifies the air. And the plant name is Nayanthara in Bengali name. This is also indoor plants, and it shows us extensive health benefits and it is easy to care. And this is Kolmi shak, and we are eat this shak for my garden, in my garden. And see, there are beautiful flower. Some plants preparing on the way, and there are also indoor plants. There are cactus, papaya tree, lemon tree, puishak, and so there are my garden. And this is for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.